Hi everyone, this is Ben at Truly Simple Solutions, and I'm just going to show you another feature of Truly Simple Solutions FlatRatePro. And what we're going to do is take a look. We've got tasks, of course, and in task you can always show them as a list, and we can work with our tasks like that. But we have another way. We've added the drill down feature and allow us to show when you create item assemblies, which I believe we showed in another video. If you have item assemblies, you obviously might want to see the list of those, which show nicely on the iPad and the iPhone. But one of the clients asked if there was a way to be able to print those, so what we've done is created that. And so if we were on tasks, and then you just go ahead and actually you can just go to reports menu as long as you're logged in with a manager access, and you go price guide reports, task item list. Now that's going to bring up a list of all the task items, and that means all of the parts that are listed in the task in a report, so you can see, you know, in a list format a task with the parts as you see here. So that brings it up in a separate window, and you can kind of scroll along and see those. And what we'll do is take a look at, we'll skip those, we'll just find, I'll just scroll over to, here's some hydronic heating stuff. We'll look at a boiler. Okay, you can see whenever there's a dot there, that means that it's a parts package or an item assembly. So if I was to look at, say, the boiler itself, if I click this item, it's going to open that item and show me the detail in that item. I can see what tasks use that item. This item doesn't have any assemblies because that's all it is. And also what vendors that we buy that item from. So we'll close that. That's if you want to look at that. Now if there was a detail, well, you also can look at the detail of the task in case you want to say, okay, here's the parts that are on this task. Let's go ahead and open the task window, and then you can see here there's the parts that are showing right there, and we can look at our other information on that, and we can edit the task and then come back to that list. But now to show you the new thing is, if there's a parts package like this, the same way on the iPad and the iPhone, you can go into that. So we're going to open that, and that opens into the new layout that shows you a printable layout in case you want to print a book and then have a few of these of the different parts packages. Say you could have this one there, which is boiler, hardware, gas, and electric. You might create several for different types of jobs. And then we've got this one, boiler, copper, valves, and fittings. And then we've got boiler, black fittings. It's just a way, so when you build a boiler task, you just can add these few parts, and you've got basically what you need. Like, see, there's different size flue pipe tasks because they're going to have different size boilers. They're going to need different sizes. So that's kind of gives you an idea. You can print those out, and it kind of is a way to drill down into those tasks that you have. And that's the whole thing about a good flat rate system, is going to allow you to look at your data in many ways. And if you like the way this looks, look at our other video on drill down item reports. It's kind of exciting stuff. And thank you for your interest in our work with another one of our Truly Simple Solutions.